The siren song of 7,000 free XRP, a crypto fantasy? Now listen up. 7,000 XRP, for free. It sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Like finding a winning lottery ticket stuck to your shoe. Or a politician telling the complete, unvarnished truth. Highly improbable, but oh so tempting. Depending on the day, and let's be honest, the mood of the ever-fickle crypto market, 7,000 XRP could be a rather nice little bonus. It's the kind of offer that makes you lean in closer to your screen, squinting suspiciously, yet with a tiny hopeful flutter in your chest. It's designed to grab your attention, and boy does it ever succeed. Why the magic number 7,000, you might wonder? Is it divinely inspired? Was it chosen by a focus group of particularly optimistic squirrels? Probably not. It's likely a carefully selected figure. Large enough to sound incredibly appealing to make you think, wow, that could actually make a bit of a difference. But perhaps not so astronomically large that your internal fraud detector immediately screams, scam, at the top of its digital lungs. It's a number that dances on the edge of believability, winking at you, daring you to take the plunge. But is the treasure real, or just a cleverly drawn illusion? Alright, so your eyes are wide, your heart is thumping a little faster at the thought of 7,000 free XRP. But then, another part of your brain kicks in, the sensible part, the part that remembers your grandpa telling you, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, sonny. And grandpa, bless his cynical heart, was usually right. This innate skepticism is a survival mechanism, honed over years of, shall we say, disappointing online offers. Remember that email promising you millions from a long-lost Nigerian prince? Yeah, that one. Our brains are wired to be wary. This healthy dose of skepticism is especially crucial in the cryptocurrency arena. Let's be frank, the crypto world can sometimes feel like the Wild West, but with more confusing acronyms and fewer cool hats. It's a place of incredible innovation, yes, but also a playground for tricksters and scammers. Stories of people losing their hard-earned money to bogus coin offerings or fake exchanges are, unfortunately, all too common. The core principle here is simple. There's rarely such a thing as a truly free lunch. Or in this case, a truly free pile of digital currency. Always question the motive. Now let's talk about the nasty stuff, the risks. Because when someone dangles the prospect of 7,000 free XRP, it's not always sunshine and digital rainbows. Sometimes it's a carefully laid trap. The most obvious risk? Scams, plain and simple. These can take many forms, from fake giveaway websites that look suspiciously like legitimate platforms, to direct messages on social media from verified accounts that are anything but. They promise you the moon or 7,000 XRP, and then vanish with your information, or worse, your existing funds. It's a digital con game, and it's rampant. One common red flag is the send us a little crypto to verify and we'll send you much more back trick. Think about it. If they're giving away 7,000 XRP, why on earth would they need your crypto first? It's like a bank offering you a free toaster, but only if you first give them your old, slightly burnt one, plus a small toaster handling fee. It makes no sense. Another classic is phishing. Always be incredibly wary of unsolicited downloads. Section 4. The Yellow Brick Road to Free Coins. What's usually involved? Okay, so let's assume for a moment that an offer for free XRP isn't an outright scam. How do these things work? Well, free rarely means you just sit back and watch the crypto roll in. There's usually a process, a series of steps you need to follow. The first, and most common, is signing up. This typically involves creating an account on a cryptocurrency exchange, a new crypto project's website, or a platform running a promotion. You'll need to provide an email address, create a password, the usual online rigmarole. It's step one on the journey to potential, but not guaranteed, free crypto. Next up very often is identity verification. Yes, the dreaded KYC, or Know Your Customer process. This means you'll likely have to upload a photo of your ID, like a driver's license or passport, and maybe even take a selfie holding it. Now why do they need this? Legitimate platforms do it to comply with anti-money laundering regulations and to prevent fraud. It's a pain, absolutely. Nobody enjoys sending their personal documents into the digital ether. Section 5, Safety First, folks. Why reputable platforms are your best friends. Alright, let's talk about where you're looking for this supposed free XRP. This is crucial, absolutely critical. If you're venturing into the crypto world hoping for freebies, sticking to reputable platforms isn't just a good idea. It's like wearing a seatbelt while driving a rocket car. Essential for survival. A reputable platform generally means well-known cryptocurrency exchanges, established crypto projects with transparent teams, or official promotional channels that are clearly linked to these legitimate entities. Think big names, not some random website called Totally Real Freak XRP for u.biz that popped up yesterday. How do you spot a reputable platform? Well, do your homework. Look for reviews, but be wary of overly positive generic ones. See how long they've been around. Check their security features. Do they offer two-factor authentication, 2FA? They absolutely should. Do they have clear contact information and customer support? Are their social media channels active and professional? Or do they look like they were designed by a caffeinated hamster? These little details matter. Section 6. The ticking clock, limited offers, and the fear of missing out, FOMO. You've seen them. Limited time offer. Only 24 hours left. Exclusive bonus for the first 100 signups. This sense of urgency is a classic marketing tactic, and it's used with gusto in the crypto world, especially when free coins are involved. Why? Because it triggers a powerful psychological response. FOMO, the fear of missing out. Nobody wants to be the person who missed out on the next big thing or even a nice little pile of 7,000 free XRP because they were too slow or too hesitant. Scammers know this and they exploit it mercilessly. Legitimate promotions do of course have time limits. A new crypto project might run an airdrop for a specific period to generate initial buzz and distribute tokens. An exchange might offer a bonus for new users during a promotional campaign. These are genuine deadlines. However, the way this urgency is communicated can be a telltale sign. Reputable offers will be clear and upfront about the terms and timelines, usually announced through official channels well in advance. They want genuine engagement, not panicked clicks. Section 7. The grand finale. Can you snag that XRP haul? So, after all this, we arrive at the big question. Can you get 7,000 XRP for free? The honest answer? It's highly unlikely. Legitimate airdrops and bonuses exist, but they usually offer modest amounts. Getting 7,000 XRP without significant effort or luck is probably a crypto fantasy. Not impossible, but pretty close. Offers promising large amounts for free are often scams or involve convoluted steps. You might spend hours for a tiny reward or impossible withdrawal conditions. The internet is full of tales of wasted time and frustration. Always exercise caution, skepticism, and due diligence. Do your own research. Don't just take a flashy banner ad or tweet at face value. Dig deeper. Who is making the offer? Are they reputable? What are the exact terms? Are trusted sources talking about this offer? If it involves connecting your wallet or downloading software, ensure it's safe. If you have any doubts, it's better to walk away. In conclusion, while the dream of 7,000 free XRP is tantalizing, approach any such claim with extreme care. Focus on legitimate ways to engage with the crypto ecosystem, and be wary of outsized rewards for minimal effort. The crypto world offers genuine opportunities, but they rarely fall into your lap without some work or risk. Share your experiences with free crypto offers in the comments. Let's help each other navigate this wild, wonderful, and sometimes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to FinanceVerse Pro and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.